You don't have a traffic problem. I spent months blaming the algorithm, posting every single day, grinding before and after my 9 to 5, and my videos were getting maybe 30 views. Turns out the real problem was something I never even considered, and once I fixed it, 500 views started outperforming what 50,000 random ones ever could. Here's what I mean. Most people think that they need more traffic, more views, more impressions, more eyeballs, but it's not actually the problem. The problem is value. You don't have a traffic problem, you have a value problem. And I know that stings a little because I used to blame the algorithm for everything. YouTube's not pushing my stuff. The algorithm hates me. But here's the truth. The algorithm doesn't hate you. It doesn't even know you exist. The algorithm follows audience behavior. It watches what the viewers do and then serves them more of whatever keeps people watching. So if nobody's watching your stuff, the algorithm isn't broken. It's doing exactly what it's designed to do. Now let me walk you through what actually changed everything for me. People don't go to YouTube looking for products, they go looking for solutions. They type in a problem and they're hoping for someone on the other side of the screen can fix it. So if your content is about you, your story, your brand, your thing, people scroll right past it. But if your content is about them, their frustration, their question, the thing keeping them up at night, they stop. That's the shift. Stop making content about you, start making content about the person watching. And once you've understood that, everything else clicks into place. Your headline determines whether someone clicks. Your hook, those first 30 seconds, determines whether they stay. Your content determines whether they trust you. And your call to action determines whether they take the next step. Each one of those is a filter. Miss any one of them and the whole thing falls apart. Think about it this way. When you search on YouTube, you're not looking for a creator, you're looking for an answer. You click the video, it looks like it understands your exact problem. The thumbnail speaks to you. The title says what you're already thinking. That's not an accident on the creator's part. That's intentional. They built the video around the question, not around themselves. And that's exactly what makes you stay. Watch the whole thing. And maybe go and find their other videos afterwards. That's the proof that this works. Your own behavior as a viewer is the clearest evidence there is. Here's where most people go wrong though. They think the answer is more content, post 7 days a week, be everywhere, grind harder. But consistency beats intensity. One video a week that generally helps someone is worth more than 7 random videos nobody asked for. And most people quit before the algorithm even had enough data to figure out who their audience is. YouTube needs time to learn who should see your stuff. If you disappear after 3 weeks because the numbers aren't there yet, you never gave it a chance. So instead of asking, how do I get more traffic? Flip the question. Ask, why would someone choose to watch me instead of the other 10,000 creators talking about the same thing? The question forces you to get specific. It forces you to be useful and it forces you to think like an audience. What are they actually typing into YouTube right now? Because here's what I learnt the hard way. People don't care how much you know until they know that you can help them. They're not impressed by your expertise if it doesn't solve their problems in the next 10 minutes. And this is why a video with 500 targeted views can make more money than a video with 50,000 random ones. When the right person finds your content and it actually helps them, they don't just watch, they subscribe, they come back, they buy. The views that move the needle aren't the ones that stumble across you by accident. They're the ones that found you because you answered exactly what they were already looking for. Traffic isn't something you chase. It's something you attract by consistently helping the right people to solve the right problems. Stop chasing views. Start creating value people want to share. That's the whole game. And look, if this is the direction you want to take things, if you're ready to stop spinning the wheels and actually build something real around your content, then this might be worth a look. Check out the turnkey residual income system at bigresidual.com. The link is in the description.